this. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm super excited that you're here because if you're here, that means you wanted to learn more about taking your MCA business to the next level. A few nights ago, what we did is we went ahead and we launched a brand new system for you guys where your pages are automatically built for you. Email responses are sent out on your behalf, and you guys can get access to this system. So we just wanted to shoot this one video for you guys in this 5-figure group to help everybody take advantage of this opportunity, because it isn't every single day where someone launches something as good as this. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into this system here in just a minute. And we're still working with a couple kinks in this system, but understand this is a very expensive system that we just launched, and it has massive capabilities. I'm going to stress to you guys, just buying into the system doesn't do anything for you. Okay. It's kind of like a multiplier. Okay. If this system doubles your sales, well, then it 2X's whatever you're doing currently. So if you're doing 0 currently, a big goose egg, it's still going to be 0, right? But understand one thing: if you're getting 10 sales a week, 3 sales a week, 2 sales a week, guaranteedly this system is probably going to double your sales. All right. I know it has for me, and I'm going to give you guys a little quick background on me. So I've been in online marketing here, in case you don't know me, for about 1.5 years. I'm pretty well known in this industry. I've done pretty good things. Earlier this year, I went down to Mexico. I flew down to Mexico. And I'm going to give you guys a prime example. I stopped running advertisements for my business completely. Okay. But because I have automated email set up for my business, I actually generated between $500 and $700 every single week I was down there in Mexico. And that's the power of using an automated system like this, where emails are sent out on your behalf. Even if you're not putting in work, even if you're not, you're away from your job, even if you're not, doing everything that you should be in your business and you're taking a break, you can still generate some type of passive income. And that's what everybody dreams of having, is that passive income. So this system is something that's going to give you time freedom back and allow you to live your life while creating some type of financial stability. So right here, I have Tyrone on this call, and Tyrone has done amazing things in the past couple of weeks, doing upwards of $2,000 a week with MCA, guys. That's $8,000 to $10,000 per month with MCA, and he's currently killing it. I wanted to bring him on and just give him, give his 2 takes on the, emails being sent out, on how he feels about email marketing, how he feels about the system. And just really convey this message to you guys, that it's not just me jumping on here and saying, hey, guys, you should get into this. It's because it honestly is the best place for someone to create success. So, Tyrone, would you take it away, brother?
Hey, what's going on, man? Thank you for having me here, brother.
Brother.
So what's going on, guys? My name is Tyrone Caballo. I've been in the market industry for about 1.5 years now. I got in it, same thing as you have. I saw an ad online, and I was like, what is going on here? Because I used to do 2 dead-end jobs, and I was working like 40, 50 plus hours a week. I didn't really know what to do or who to talk to or how to run things, because I was doing the same thing each and every day. And I was like, there's something out there, but I didn't really know what it was. So I took massive action because I knew my reason. I'm happily married. I have a daughter, and I will do anything to provide for them. And with the ability to learn these skill sets, it enabled me to acquire, more time and the ability to do what I love. I have my career. I have more time to spend with my friends and family. And the fact that with email marketing and the system and creating the automation for generating sales online, it makes things much, much more easier than, the typical old school, door-to-door sales and calling your friends and family now, because if you really think about it, the power of the internet is moving, and it's evolving. And if you're not moving with the world and evolving and, learning new skill sets, you're going to be left behind. So I'm working with Justin this whole time, and I'm very blessed because he is my mentor, and he has helped me so much. And I probably bug him like every single day. Hey, Justin, what's this? Hey, Justin, help me out with this, But experiencing this whole, marketing atmosphere with Justin and utilizing the tools that he's provided and helped me to learn and invested a lot of time and money for it, it really helped me a lot to really understand that now is a time to generate income online. You know, the old school way of working for somebody, that's not going to help long term. Yeah, but that's pretty much I have for now. So Justin, take it away, buddy.
Yeah, guys. So at this point, we do provide a free sales page for you guys. But what you guys have to understand is that, Facebook and some marketer said this not too long ago. I believe it was, I forget his name, Adrian something. He's a big time marketer. He has like 150,000 likes on his page. And he's running an advertisement. And he said, Facebook advertising is only as powerful as your email marketing. So what he's saying right there is, your Facebook advertising is amplified by email marketing. So this system, as I said, is super important because realize, just walking up to a random stranger, okay? And then let me try to explain this. If you walk up to a random stranger on the street and you say, hey, man, go ahead and buy this, right? He's probably not going to buy. But if you go ahead and you say, hey, man, I saw you're wearing those cool kicks, right? Go ahead and write my phone number down. Let's get on I have a bunch of cool shoes. I'll go ahead and, send some pictures, your address or, your phone number or whatever. You build a relationship with that person and you show them what's in store. You educate them on the products you have. You educate them on what you're doing for people and you educate them on everything. And understand it takes educating to sell. Okay. So if you're not building a relationship and you're not educating people on the system, on the products, on MCA, on the benefits, on how you can generate income with them, you're going to be losing a lot of sales and a lot of commission, guys. And that's why this is super important to get in on. So as I said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and not sure if I said this, but I'm going to go ahead and screen capture this MCA system real quick, show you guys the back office, show you guys how to maneuver it real quick, and show you guys how to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here right away, and you'll be able to see that there's a members area right here. Okay, so go ahead, click the members area. What you're going to do is after you already have an account, you're just going to hit login. Okay, as you can see, I'm logged in already. So I'll just go to the members back office. And after this point, what you're going to do is you're going to go to TVC. All right, you're going to go to your account here. Let me go ahead and really want to be showing this. Okay, you go ahead and jump over here. All righty. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and copy this link out. Okay, so this 86725, go ahead and copy it out. And you're going to go ahead and input this link right here, this number, right in your MCA ref. That's going to code every single page to you. Now, notice something. When I go ahead and pull up my affiliate URLs here, all right, say I go ahead and click, let's say I go ahead and pull up this page, okay? All right, I'm gonna go ahead, click this. Now all the sales through this page will be automatically connected to Justin Janovich, okay? Now, as I said before, automatic emails are going to be sent out on your behalf. So there's a lot of cool stuff you can do back in this back office. You can also go ahead and track everything that's coming through your links. So you want to track every single person that visited your website. Boom, you can test it. You want to test every lead that came through. Boom, you can test it, right? You can go ahead and find all this information, okay, which is super powerful, super important. You can see every single lead that you have. So you can go ahead, call people, work one-on-one. You can honestly work your leads back here, okay? And you can also integrate Aweber. There's a lot of cool stuff that you can do. And just to lay this out for you guys, alone for this program right here, this is my Aweber that sends out all the automated emails. Not only do I have to come up with all my emails and all your guys' emails, but I also have to send them out on a regular basis. I have to set it up, and I pay roughly about $400 to $500 per month for this program. Actually, I have 28,000 subscribers. If you look this up, they will have to quote you a price for the amount of subscribers I have. They don't even offer a general price. They have to quote you one. It's expensive, guys. Okay, so these are the programs that I use for my online business. I also use hosting services and a bunch of different other things, professional emails that I have to pay for. And guys, you're going to be having access to all this right through the system. All right. So as I said, this is super, super valuable stuff right here. This is super, super valuable. Now let me show you guys how to get started, okay? So there's two different types of memberships, and let me tell you the benefits of both here real quick. So we're gonna go back to our affiliate URLs. I'm gonna pop up this little link for you guys here, okay? Go ahead and pop this up, show you guys what's going on. Okay, so this is our website. You're gonna have something similar to this. You're gonna see. You're going to scroll down, and there's two different memberships here. Now, let me explain the difference between these guys. Okay, first of all, the Pro is $19.99 a month, full email automation, new capture pages, sales funnels, updated trainings, and you also get weekly hangouts with us. Okay, the MCA Master has full automation of your emails, so an autopilot business creates time freedom, right? New capture pages, sales funnels, updated training, weekly hangouts. You guys don't just get weekly hangouts. You get mastermind meetings with us as well, okay? We get on as leaders once a week. Several of us leaders get on a Zoom call with you, just like I'm on a call with Tyrone right now, and we go through any problem that you're having in your business. We go ahead, we look and dig into your advertisements, yours, not ours, yours. We check it out. We tell you if it's going to work. If it's not, we're going to go ahead and look at your videos, break down any type of metrics you guys want. And this is all, guys, for just $197 a year. This is pretty cheap, guys. Okay, you're covered for an entire year. And as I said, we do this 52 weeks out of the year. We're going to jump on calls with you guys. Okay, one-on-one video calls just like this. Okay, and trust me, I don't want to waste all my time with people who aren't serious. So this is a serious offer. If you're not serious about MCA yet, and you know you don't want to really, you're not really committed to this, go with the $19.99, and you can go ahead and have at least a lot of the tools that these other guys have. But I can't stress to you guys how important working with people one-on-one, face-to-face is in this business, because that'll go a long way, and I guarantee you more of the masters are going to have success. So anyways, guys, I'm super excited for each one of you guys to get started here. As I said, go ahead, click the sign up button on each one of them, and you'll get instant access automatically. An email will be sent to your email address with all your login information, and you can go ahead, log into your account, and start seeing results with our system. All right. Now, as I said, there is one bug that we're getting fixed out of the system yet. Will be fixed out shortly. We pretty much through the launch process, we kicked out 95% of the bugs, because when you launch anything, any big project like this, there's always going to be bugs. But we pretty much kicked them all out. So should be pretty clean sailing here and pretty smooth sailing throughout the rest of this. So I'm excited to see every single one of you guys being able to kill your MCA business. Yeah, I mean, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys on the other side. Take care. Talk soon. Peace.